Let me show you the best products to promote as an affiliate marketer. And if you stay at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a cool website that you can use to find low ticket products and high ticket. The first product is Clickfunnels. This is a funnel building software. And you can use this software for sales funnels, to build websites, for online courses, email marketing, workflows, landing pages, membership sites, to do A/B testing, for blogging, and many more things. I use it for my affiliate business. The cool thing about this software is that if you promote it, you can earn recurring commissions. To become an affiliate, scroll down and click on affiliate program. Once you are affiliate for Clickfunnels, you can promote more products. For example, the traffic secrets book, the expert secrets, and the .com secrets. And as you can see in the screen, they have more products to promote. The second product is Getresponse. This is an email marketing software. I use it for my contacts and to build my email sequences. To become an affiliate, scroll down and click on affiliate programs. And you have two options. You can promote the recurring program or the bounty program. The third option is Bluehost. You can make money by recommending website hosting. To become an affiliate, scroll down and click on affiliates. The fourth option is Freedom Accelerator. This is a high-ticket product that teaches people how to start an affiliate business from complete scratch. And it has all the information if you want to become an affiliate marketer. Now, if you want to promote high and low-ticket products that are going to be launched in the future, go to this website, Muncheye.com. You'll find a variety of products to promote, from $27 to $3,000. For example, let's say that you want to promote this product, Simpler Traffic. Click it. And then you need to access the JB page. In this case, we need to wait for them to put the link. This is another example. I'm going to click here. The next step is to click the JB page. And for this product, you need to click this button to apply to promote it. If you want to get access to a system that is helping me make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.